Russ, this is the first quarter. Boss Dougie. Pass it done. Ikalabas sa Bagis. The fake shot. Bagis inside. That's good. The first shot of Bagis. JJ Hildebrand. Pass to Cyrus. Back to the high. Cyrus to TJ for the long ball. Nugget. Rebound by Nugget. Pass to Meneses. Meneses nagkakalit. Meneses the long ball. Nugget. Rebound by Cyrus. Cyrus Nugget. The layup is good. Meneses. The one team. Nugget. Rivalry. 8 seconds to shoot. Boston. Boston sideline. Baby ball. JJ Hildebrand in front of the ball. JJ pass to Saul Marquette. Saul still having it. The first act of the game. Saul pass to DJ. Pass to Danny Alfonso. Danny pass to DJ. Hold the ball. Go ahead. Rebound by Meneses. Meneses pass to Luis. Meneses on the line. Is it 2 points? JJ dribble the ball. Guarded by the mud. JJ pass to Danny. Danny to the big man. Back to the ball. Inside. Okay. Rebound by Bagis. Bagis McConnell the man from the ball. Bagis pass to Meneses. Meneses pass inside. And run inside. That's it. Run away. Saul Marquette on the ball. Saul follows back at the pass. That's to Google. Back to Cyrus. Cyrus inside. Look at that shot by Cyrus Michael. Look down. Marquette to the ball. Look down to Bagis. Bagis for the long ball. Bagis for 3 points. The volleyball Saul Marquette on the long ball. Again. Rebound by Montana. Montana letting the ball. Montana. Your cross over inside. Montana. Pass to Doggy. Boston. Pass to Montana. Technician. Montana. Outside. Through to the line. Back to the jam. Boston. Miller. With the ball. Miller, holding on to Miller, dig it down, levels like a pass it back in. Pass it down, he's still by Meneses. Meneses, then we have a foul. Montana inside, pass to Meneses. For the long ball. Logan, rebound by the defender with the pass to Cyrus. Chicago got it from the ball. Cyrus, he goes on the pitch. Rotating right around. Back to the gaze. Meneses inside. Back to the big man. replacing Saul Markel. Substitution ref, yes, he replacing the player of the Bella. Miller, pass to Denny, back to Miller, pass to Warren Peters, back to Donny High, down the other ball, the Pepperline, pass to Willie, from the line, again, right up by Danny Alfonso, from Warren Peters. Bugala, bring the ball. Bugala, pass to the guys in the long ball, again. Mark Peters again, pass to the line, again. Mark Peters again, Mark, losing to the lane. Mark, quick, okay. Wala na, baby, nakakalaban si Mark. Tatlong laban sa isa. There's a good hit. Same ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Miller. Guarded wide, big man, pass to Warren Greengrass. Greengrass inside, a shot. And we have a foul. Udana, may taka na ball for big right away. Buckets. To the Peppermint, number 2, the shot. Okay, rebound by Miller. Pass to Kunanan. Kunanan pass. To the Sakuragi. The Pinoy Sakuragi. Look at that, that's all. More Peters. Like it, more Peters. Udana. Udana, Carlbanzi, Udana, pass. To the Sugar, pass inside. Over for Payne, Buckets, eating good out of defense. Tag the shoot, the shot, again. Rebound by Miller. Good, we have a fan. Now, Jersey, number fan, missing fan. Or PBB on the ball. Pass along Ananya. Ananya. To Pinoy, Sakuragi. Ananya. Back to the fan. Number 6, Best. Number 14, back to number 6. To number 1. Pass again from the long ball three. All good. Rebound Best. Slipping into the lane. Miller right down on the ball. Well under the ball. Miller pass. Sigolana for 3. The one grip the ball from SCD, pass to Big Ben. The perfect shot, all good. Rebound by Warren Peters. Miller put on the ball. Miller, guarded by the team. Miller gave it back. Pass to Kunanan, third mission. Pass to Sakuragi. The big man. Guarded by Warren pass. Number 1, take it down. The perimeter shot. Again, rebound by the big man. Stepping into Miller. Miller. Now, yeah, that's it. Number 1, bring the ball. Number 1, back number 6, Lesher. Pass to number one. He can knock that issue. Back to the fan. Good out pass to Miller. Miller go down inside the layup. Good Mark Pigris. Mark Pigris. Pass number one. Pass to shooter number 6. Back to number one. Pass to number 6. On that. Back to Chris number 1. Pass to the teammate number 7. The perimeter shot. It's good. Dalawa na lang kailangan ng number 1. Ahadya. Pass to Mark. Bitaw wala pa. Magpapatay ang number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 7. Bibitaw ang press. Over ka lang. Bitaw na po for the TBA. Pass to Ryan Aranya. Pass to Gato. The big man. Pass inside. Rico Marhofer. Back to the open. Warning, 8 seconds. Look at that. Vegano. Pass to Ahadya. Back to Vegano. Mercado inside the layup. It's hit by Somerville. Number 4 made at the perimeter shot. It's hit by a shooter. Pass to Mercado. Vegano. The big man, Facundo. Daco, pass inside. Back to shoot. Daco for 2. Good here. To the first game by Ahadya. Ahadya, iniwan ang depensa. Tapos sila. Still. Pass to number 7. The side step. Pass to number 10. Vegano. Vegano na bola. Vegano inside, pass to Rico. Rebound by the big man Black. So today we got Black. Diego pass to Vegano. Then to shoot. Vegano the ball. The perimeter shot. It's good. Number 1 out that pass inside. The big shot is still good. Enrico. Pass to Saul. Gonna get out of the crossover. Kicking now. Saul pass to Daco on the big man. Napalpalan si Veterans. Napasubo si Daco. 11 seconds to shoot. Black turn pass to the big man. Equal the ball. Inside pass to the big man. Rico. Rebound by Blake. Number 1. Number 1. Somewhere down the ceiling. Pass to Rico. Rico. Substitution rest. Seconds. We're here.